YouTube Audio Library has a large collection of music tracks that are freely available for YouTube creators to download and feature as background music in their videos, or can add sound effects to your motion graphics animation. Log into your YouTube account and click channel icon. Next, click Settings tab, and on the Settings page, click View Additional Features. Next, in the left of the screen, click Create tab. On the audio library page, you can download music under Free Music tab, or you can download different sounds from Sound Effect tab. You can click on each music track and listen to it before downloading them to your computer. You can view music track, other details like duration, the artist or music group the audio belongs to, and the type of music like country, R&B, hip hop, rock or electronic. You can also search music by artists here in the search box and download them. Some music audio like this, for instance, you need to explicitly give credit and attribution by entering it in the video description section. Some music audio you can download and use it freely in your YouTube video without giving any credit or attribution like this video here. But always fair to give credit from where you downloaded. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share my videos if you like them, and do not forget to click the bell icon if you wish to get similar tutorial video updates notified.